sets Berger Financial Group apart from other financial advisory firms is having an in-house tax department. A typical financial advisor will make recommendations strictly from a financial advisor's perspective and possibly with tax implications in mind. Still, those plans must be shared with the client's tax advisor to see what the tax implications will be. Conversely, if your tax advisor makes recommendations with tax savings in mind, they must be communicated to the financial advisor with the hope that everything is executed as planned. When working with BFG, this communication is seamless with the financial advisor and the tax advisor working under the same roof. Both the tax advisor and financial advisor can be very intentional with their planning, knowing that everyone is on the same page. Our tax advisors can run tax projections with up-to-date information and share results with financial advisors in real time. A common example of this would be a financial advisor recommending triggering capital gains or losses within a taxable brokerage account. The financial advisor can make this decision based on the knowledge of the account and the client, but without knowing the exact tax impact. It may make sense from a financial advisory perspective, but it may not be the best decision from a tax sense. If a person's tax preparer doesn't also do tax projection work, the client will not know the impact of the triggering of gains or losses until they file their tax return and could be met with unintended surprise. By working with Berger Financial Group for your financial planning and tax planning and preparation needs, you can be assured that we are looking at your full financial picture with your best interests in mind.